Muddy truck trouble.
La la la. Oh no! Look at me! I'm covered in mud all over!
Welcome to Tinkerbot Repair Shop. How can I help you?
Please help me!
How did this happen?
My body is a terrible...
Oh dear. I'll take a look. Is it mud?
I was trying to avoid a dog that jumped out. Then I fell into mud!
I see. Don't worry. I'll clean you up.
Okay, thank you so much.
Please wait in front of the car washing shop. The size of the truck is medium. The pollution level is severe. Clue. The pollutant is mud. Could we get started now?
Ready?
Spray water first.
I feel great.
Time for bubbles.
I like bubble.
Should I rinse with water now?
Uh-oh.
Correct. Let's dry now. Let's add some shine. Time to wipe. Car wash complete.
Wow, this is me! How cool!
Whenever you need help, come to Tinkerbot Repair Shop.
Yes! Thank you, Tinkerbot!
Bye-bye. Take care.
Goodbye!